Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'll share with y'all what I'm up to. And first level is, I'm a little bit cold, so pardon my voice. This is these are ice packs, custom made to help those of us in the tropics have some cold thermogenesis. And luckily this morning it's really cold here. It's
62 degrees.
62 degrees. Sorry if you're in places where it's really cold. I know that's just not even close to funny, but that means I get a bit colder faster. The hat is so that I trick my body into thinking it's not that cold. The hat keeps some of the heat in and my core drops down faster. But now, so I've been doing this for a while and I love it, and I'm gonna take it to the next level. So why do I love it? You might wonder, why do I love it? Because the best thing is it helps me to get beyond my little wussiness of not wanting to be uncomfortable. So I can feel it even this morning. I'm like, oh, I don't want to be cold, I don't want to be cold. And I'm like, come on, get some cold. And then when I do, right, make a little bit of friends with discomfort, then I feel so good. Right, and the health benefits are so many for the brain, for the immunity, for sleep. You could look up more on that if you want, but for me the biggest thing is just how I feel when I do it. All right, but since this next piece I've never done myself, I've just heard about, especially good for the vagus nerve. Another way of getting cold benefits is dunking the face into a little bird bath of ice. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this guy off though for that part, because I think I might get it all wet if I did otherwise.
It's already wet. Okay.
Well, yes, good point. And put the towel nearby. Take the hat off. All right.
Face is in the water.
That's cold. Wow. That was good. I got right to the point of like, wow, it stings. So next time I can go further. Thank you.